Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make an easy buttermilk pound cake. To make this buttermilk pound cake, I am using a 9 by 5 inches cake tin. You can use any square or round 8 or 9 inches tin. Line the bottom of the cake tin with a butter paper or a parchment paper and grease the tin with some oil or butter so that the cake doesn't stick to the tin. Also preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Next we'll prepare the buttermilk required for this recipe. To make the buttermilk, take 1 cup of milk and add 1 teaspoon vinegar to it and mix it lightly and set it aside. If you have ready-made buttermilk, you can use that. Otherwise, you can make your own like this. Now we'll start preparing the cake batter. For this, I've taken some butter and sugar. I'm using powdered sugar. Beat the butter and sugar for about 1 to 2 minutes till it's nice and fluffy. As you keep beating, stop in between and scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl so that everything will get incorporated well. Next, we'll start adding the eggs. For this recipe, we need 3 eggs. Make sure the eggs are at room temperature. Add 1 egg at a time and beat the mixture well. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and beat that in too. All these makes our wet ingredients. Next we can start adding the dry ingredients. For this, place a sieve over the bowl and then add all-purpose flour or maida. All the ingredients list is given in the description box. Then add baking powder and then some salt. Sieve all this mixture into the bowl. While you sieve this mixture, make sure you add the flour and the buttermilk in batches. First add a third of the flour and a third of the buttermilk and mix that thoroughly. Then add the next third of the flour and a little more of the buttermilk. And then do this until you finish the flour and the buttermilk. By doing this, the vanilla cake batter will be mixed nice and smooth. Now you can transfer the batter into the prepared tin. Tap the tin on the counter to remove any air bubbles. And then you can bake this cake batter in the preheated oven for about 60 minutes. This cake took about 60 minutes in my oven. Each oven is different. You can start checking from 50 to 55 minutes itself. Put a skewer, a knife or a toothpick inside the cake. If it comes out clean, then your cake is ready. If there's still batter sticking to the toothpick, then make sure you bake the cake for a little longer. So my cake is done. When you put a toothpick inside, it should come clean like this. Wait for the cake to cool down completely and then remove it from the tin. Now we'll cut the cake and see. This is an extremely easy and simple buttermilk pound cake. It's a very tasty and delicious cake. As you know, pound cakes are always so rich and tasty. But adding buttermilk to this recipe makes it so moist and fluffy and so tasty. You can bake this cake for an evening snack time. I'm sure kids will also love it. Do try it out. Until next time. Bye-bye.